Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So it's that time of the month, and no, I'm not talking about that time of the month. I'm talking about monthly favorites. So it's going to be my March favorites, and I have a variety of makeup, beauty, and a little bit of fashion, and one random thing that I want to show you guys that I'm really loving. So I wanted to share with you guys, but before we begin, if this is your first time watching and you are not subscribed to my channel, make sure you click that subscribe button right now, and also don't forget to click the notification bell so that way YouTube will notify you every time I post a new video. Let's get right into it because I have quite a bit of stuff to show you guys. I have some new things that I discovered this month, and guys, I'm loving it. It is amazing. So I have to show you guys. It's just, you gotta watch this. This is a must see right here because this is some good stuff. Like, it's good. So I'm gonna start off with makeup. I'm gonna show you guys all my makeup favorites that I've been loving this month. Some are like rediscovered, but most of them are actually like brand new makeup that I'm just blown away. So the first one is this one right here. So if you guys been watching my February monthly favorites, you have seen me talk about these. Now I got another shade by the Wet n Wild. I think this is called the Matte Mega Last, like the Mega Last matte lipstick. I just love these. So this is in the shade Bare It All. The other two that I showed you guys last month was two different types of nudes, and this one is another nude. Guys, I'm so crazy for the nudes. I absolutely love it, and it looks like this. I feel like their packaging is so cute. They definitely improved in their packaging. Some of the colors that they brought out with the new packaging is like the same lipstick, the same name, just different packaging. And I can really appreciate the fact that they have improved their packaging, but yet they kept it at the same price. They are still $1.99, which is so cool. So it looks like this. You can see the color from this clear plastic cover right here. And it looks like this. This is just gorgeous. I feel like this would be flattering on so many skin tones. So I'm going to give you guys a quick swatch on my hands so you can see what I'm talking about. Looks like this. It's a beauty. Trust me, guys, it's amazing. Now moving on is this right here. It's another one by Wet n Wild, and this is the Mega Last Liquid Catsuit High Shine Lipstick, and this one is in the color the name kind of sounds funny. It's Chic Got Real. Yeah. But it looks like this, and I really love this color. It is what I have on my lips right now. And that's the only thing I have on my lips. Like, there's no lip liner, no lipstick underneath. It's just this, and I love it. But this is one of these types of lipsticks that are perfect for like swipe and go. Like, you don't have to think about it. You don't really have to like make sure the lines are perfectly lined. Like, just put it on and you're done. And I really love it because it is what it says it is. It's high shine, so it gives you high pigmented color, but it's really nice and shiny. So it looks like you have a lipstick and a gloss on top, but it's not. It's 2-in-1. Amazing. I would say it's probably 3-in-1 for me because I feel like my lips are very moisturized with this. It's almost like a lip balm, lipstick, lip gloss. They don't claim it to be that way, but I'm just saying. So I'm going to give you guys a quick little swatch as well on my hand. I know I have it on my lips, but I wanted to show you guys. Look at that color, guys. So this one, one of my best friends got it for me at the Dollar Tree, but they do still have these, and I was just so in love with these. They do have them in multiple shades, and I don't know why. I've never tried it, but when my friend got it at the Dollar Tree, she gave it to me. I was like, where have you been all my life? If you guys tried out Wet n Wild, you know they're super affordable. Moving on to another, I guess it's not really a makeup favorite, but it's kind of in the makeup section realm, I guess. So it's this one right here, and I think I mentioned this last month. I wanted to mention it again for this month because there's something new I discovered that I didn't notice from last month that I noticed this month. And you're probably wondering, how is it that you didn't notice that? Well, you know what? I'm a mom, and sometimes I don't notice things because my mind is all over the place. So if you guys have that where it's like that mom brain, you guys know what I'm talking about. Well, this month I noticed that when I use this lip balm, it gives you a nice little like pinkish tint. I was impressed because when I applied this on, I was noticing that my lips were changing color. This is a lip balm that I got from Amazon. It comes in a 2-pack and it's like $6, so $3 a piece. And it is 99% aloe vera lip balm, and it is a bio, I think the name of it is Bio RLX, and it's paraben free, cruelty free, all that fun stuff. And it's in the shape of a aloe vera leaf, like that. Opens up like this. I'm gonna put it on my hand. I don't know if it changes color on my hand, but I'm gonna show you guys. So here's how it looks. Actually, it does. Do you see that? It has like a really nice light pinkish tone, but on my lips, it actually turns like a really almost bright pink. I don't know. I didn't even like bother to look on Amazon to see if this is one of these type of lip balm, lip tint products that changes color due to your to your temperature of your lips, or maybe to your skin tone. I don't really know, but look at that. Say what? I was impressed. And another thing too, it's not only because of the color that I like, but I love it because it really moisturizes my lips. I always make sure my lips are moisturized. I have a thing for crusty lips. I can't stand them. Like, it feels uncomfortable, first of all, but I can't stand crusty lips. Like, that's nasty. So I always make sure my lips are moisturized, and that's something that I do recommend. It is amazing. Moving on to a rediscovered makeup product, and it is this one right here. This is the Milani Conceal and Perfects a Shine Proof Powder, and it is in the Natural Light number 3. This is like a foundation powder, and I really love it. The mirror is here. I don't want to blind you guys, so I'm not going to show you the mirror, but it looks like this. It has this little sponge, and this is the foundation powder. I've been really loving this lately for those days where I want to just have a little makeup on, but it's kind of like a, you know, quick makeup look where you just put some foundation, put like a lipstick like this, and you're out the door. So this one I really love. It really does conceal my imperfections, and it just evens everything out. Like, it keeps my face matte, which I love. Moving on to another rediscovered favorite. It is this one right here, and this is by Physicians Formula. This is the butter bronzer. I know you guys probably already heard about this so many times, but I had to mention it because I fell in love with it again. And this one is in the light bronzer. They have one that's like a medium. This is a light one because I'm very light complected, so I wanted to get this one that I thought would be perfect for me. I have to say, the smell's amazing. Smells like pina colada on the beach, you know, summer vibes. And it also comes with this little sponge right here. I haven't used it at all, to be honest with you. I don't see a purpose to it. I don't even know why I kept it, but it's there. But I really love this. This is awesome bronzer just to bronze your face up a little bit, and you just look like you're glowing from within. You have a nice bronze face look. You look like you naturally look like that when you wake up, and it's just amazing. Last makeup product that I wanted to mention to you guys. Okay, maybe you guys are gonna hate me for this, but I wanted to mention it one more time because I love it that much. And it is this brow pencil right here. This is the LA Color brow pencil in the color medium, and I've been really loving this because it's $1. It's from Dollar Tree, $1, and it is hands down my favorite brow pencil ever that I have ever tried in my life. This is the best. I love it because it's very pigmented, but you can definitely make it lighter or darker how you want it. You have a lot of control with this. It's not waxy, it's not too hard. It's like that perfect medium. And I love this little brush where you can brush it out where it doesn't look all crazy. Like, you know, you brush it out to make it look more softer. This is just amazing. They do have them in different shapes. I highly recommend this, guys. I know I talk about this so much. It's for a good reason. You will thank me. It's $1, guys, and it's amazing. Now moving on to some beauty products. So the first one is this one right here. This is a rediscovered love. This is the St. Ives Acne Control Oil-Free Salicylic Acid Acne Medication Apricot Scrub. Looks like this. The reason why I rediscovered this one, I fell in love with it again, is because they are now cruelty free. They used to not be cruelty free, and now they are, which is pretty awesome. And this is like, I got it at Walmart online. I purchased it online. It came in a 2-pack for like, I think $7. So they're really affordable. And it was like next day delivery. It came in my mail. I was like, wait, what? Next day delivery, guys. This is not like an Amazon Prime thing where you have to pay extra. They have that sometimes, which is pretty awesome. But guys, this is so amazing. I don't have acne problems, but I always get this because around that time of the month, like, I don't know if you notice, I have this little blemish right here that's kind of stubborn, but this has been helping it out a lot. I do think this is amazing. It does really clean my face. I tend to have dry skin around my forehead. I don't know why. Like my T-zone area, it's always kind of oily. I always have to use like a blotting sheet or powder to make it matte again if I'm wearing makeup. But I notice around this area, it always gets super dry, and around my nose, it gets super dry where it starts having like little crusty dry skin. I hate that because then my makeup ends up looking like botched, you know what I mean? If you want to have a good makeup day, I do recommend using a scrub, and the scrub I recommend is this one right here. This is the only one that I've been using on my face, and it is just amazing. Now, if you don't need any salicylic acid for like acne, they do have one exactly like this, only it's called Fresh Skin, and that one does not have that acne medication. So just so you know. Moving on to the next one is actually an empty, so there's nothing in here. I finished it all up. Well, my daughter and I finished it. And it is this one right here. This is the Dove Exfoliating Body Polish. It's with oatmeal and a calendula oil. I fell in love with this because Dove is actually cruelty-free. They used to not be, and now they are. So I'm really loving the fact that a lot of name brands at the drugstore are becoming cruelty-free. This one is more of a gentle exfoliate. They do have like one that's a little bit more harder, and I do want to try the one that's pomegranate. That one's a little bit more harder, and I think it has like 2 dots filled in. So it just depends. They have like, I think 3 different kinds of these, and it'll tell you like what level of exfoliant it is. I use this only for my body. It really does polish my body like it says. When I get out of the shower, my body feels so nice and soft, and I definitely feel like that dry layer of dead skin on my body is just gone. This really does the job. Like I just feel so clean, but it's so polished and soft. Now the last thing I want to talk to you guys about as far as beauty product goes is this right here. This is a lip exfoliator and lip exfoliator brush, and this one I got from Amazon. It came in a 2-pack for like $6. This one is amazing, guys. So what I do is I use my sugar scrub. I put some on my lips and I start scrubbing it. This is just awesome. It really does work. I just feel like it works a lot better with this. It gives you a really nice control over all your lips. So I do use this side to scrub, and then after I'm done, I wash it off. I use this part, and I love this part as well because this gives you like a nice tingly massage, and it also gives blood flow to your lips, and I just love that. So I do recommend this, guys. It's really affordable. Now, moving on to undergarments. I said fashion, but I actually don't have a fashion. I don't know why I thought that what I'm about to show you is like a fashion item. It's not. So they're undergarments, they're underwear from Walmart, and I discovered these not long ago. I fell in love with it, so I had to talk about them, and it is these right here. So it comes in a pack of 4. You can choose to get in a pack of 3, but I got the pack of 4. So there's the leopard, this beautiful summery looking aqua blue at the beach type of color. This one right here is another beautiful summer coral color, and the black. I really, really love these. These are by far one of my favorite new thongs. So these are thongs. They also have the cheekies, and I'm thinking I'm gonna get the cheekies as well, but these are the thong, and these are amazing, guys. Like, look at the stretch. They're comfortable, and the reason why I really love them is because these are the no-show. Whatever you wear, you don't have to worry about your panty line showing. I hate that. I hate when underwear show my panty line. It just really kills the outfit for me, and these do not show anything. I really, really love it. And I also love the fact that these are the type of thongs where they give you enough material where you don't feel like you're gonna get a wedgie. Like, these are so comfortable. You don't feel like you have any underwear on. And honestly, I feel like Walmart just brought these out not long ago because I've never seen these before. I've never seen Secret Treasures underwear. So these are by the brand name Secret Treasures, and they're a 4-pack for $16. So basically $4 a piece. I do think it's a great buy. I do think it's worth it because the quality is amazing. And this comes in a small/medium, and then they have a large/extra large. So I got the small/medium. But what I do recommend is get these online because I never find these in the store. And whenever I do find it, it's kind of like scattered. They're like everywhere. There's a size small, medium, large of a random underwear. They never have my size. And that's why I usually never purchase from Walmart when it comes to underwear, because it's like too stressful for me to look through the pile. Last but not least, this is one of my random favorites, and it is another mug. So last month I had the Winnie the Pooh mug. that I am still using like literally every day. That's the only mug I've been using. But the moment I bought this one, I've been really loving this one. And this one is the Chip Mug by Beauty and the Beast. And I always wanted this mug. Like for the longest time, I always wanted this mug. And I always passed it by. Like I never got it. I think because honestly, it has to do with the price. But Disney mugs are the only mugs that I will pay a little more for a mug. I usually get my mugs from Marshalls, TJ Maxx, or Ross. They're usually like $3.99 to $6.99. This was $20, so $19.99, but I do think it's really worth it. Guys, I'm not a Disney fanatic, but I do love certain Disney mugs because they're very... Oh, that scared me. One of my slides like moved and that freaked me out. Okay. I always love this. Like I always loved Chip. I just thought he was always so cute. Has this little chip looking right here. It looks like this. It's really big. I think it's like 12 ounces. It's a really big mug. If you guys don't know, I'm like a mug collector, but I am also very picky with mugs. So whenever I pick up a new mug, I always like to show you guys my new favorite mug. I mean, look at him. He is so happy and so cute. I just had to. It has this right here where it's a little bit more lifted on this side. I just freaking love it. I always love this style of mugs where they, you know, like you're having a tea party, but it's big. And I like it that it's big because I love a lot of tea. I usually have like 12 ounce of tea every single day. And I do also have like that little fancy teacup, the one that's like smaller. But those I'm like, I like them, but then I can only put like 8 ounces of tea. And to me, I don't like to keep pouring. I like to have a lot of tea. So that's what I'm trying to say. Yes, again, this was kind of a bit much, but when it comes to Disney is the only place I will spend a little more on mugs. And this one is like a collector's item for me. Only other mug that I want to get from the Disney store is the one from the movie Up. I just don't know which one to get. They have like 3 different types. And I don't know which one to get, but when I do know which one to get, I will probably get one. Maybe next month, we'll see. And if I do get it, you guys will probably see it in my next favorites. Anyways, that is it, guys. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video, and until next time, remember, stay blessed. Bye.